Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Before we dive in, a quick introduction. I am a certified ServiceNow technical architect with over 12 years of hands-on experience across ITSM, CMDB, HR, CSM, integrations, and custom applications. So welcome to ServiceNow 45 days masterclass. In this complete training series, we are going to start from the ServiceNow fundamentals and move into platform administration and development, and finally learn the real world ITSM, ITOM implementation. Whether you are completely new to ServiceNow or already working on the platform and wants to strengthen your skills, this training will take you through the concepts step by step with hands-on examples and real-world scenarios. So before we start day one, let me quickly show you what we are going to learn throughout these 45 days. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's free and helps you keep up with all the latest ServiceNow videos. And if you have got questions, reach out to me on Instagram at NSServiceNow blog. So who is this training for? This course is designed for complete beginners, ServiceNow administrators, aspiring developers, ITSM consultants, and anyone who wants to build a career in ServiceNow. You don't need to have an advanced ServiceNow or JavaScript knowledge to start. We will begin with the fundamentals and gradually move into administration, development, scripting, integrations, and ITSM implementation. So just forget about scripting knowledge, anything. I will teach you everything from the scratch. Even if you are already working with ServiceNow, this course can help you strengthen your fundamentals and understand development concepts and gain more practical implementation knowledge. So, regardless of your current level, you can start with us from day one and progress step by step. We design in three levels, like level 1, level 2, level 3. And what we are going to do in level 1 from day 1 to day 15, and what we are going to cover in level 2, level 3, okay, at the end of this section or at the end of the course, okay, what we are going to do, I will explain you everything. Now let's start with the level 1, which covers the first 15 days of our training. Okay, now I will switch to my Excel where I have created a roadmap for 45 days. So let's see. So this is our roadmap. So you can see the 45 days in level 1, what we have, platform fundamentals, okay, main topic, detailed topics and subtopics, hands-on, hands-on lab or demo, assignment, deliverable, outcome, what we have achieved, everything. Okay. So in the level 1, we have like I've created some kind of modules, platform fundamentals, ITSM foundation, data model, list, filters, forms, views, user, configuration, dictionary, platform administration, data management. Okay, so you can see what all the topics you can cover, like ITL, ITSM fundamentals, tables and record fields, list filters, breadcrumbs, form views, configurations, user groups and roles, application modules, tables, plugins, properties and update sets, import sets, transform map, knowledge management, request, reporting, development. Okay, in the this is level 1. You can see in the level 1 is for admin. Okay, what all the topics we have. So in the level 1 we cover like 15 days, main topic, detailed topic, and you can also see this one, hands-on lab demos. Well, this is for example I have created, but there will be more demos on the each days. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in the level 1. This is level 1 admin fundamentals. Okay, level 1, and this come to level 2. Okay, level 2 starts from 16 day 16 to day 30. Okay, this is level 2. So see, you see here we start with development foundation, client configuration, client scripting, okay, server scripting, reusable scripting, client server, okay, event and email, security, automations like integrations also we are covering, okay, and debugging, how to debug, and some small mini projects we will do, okay. In the level 3 you can see incident management, problem management, how do we life cycle, what will cover like life cycle states, priority matrix, assignment templates, what is done in the real time, okay. For example, how do you configure the incident management in the real time projects, so those all will explain because I have like 12 years of experience with 10 plus projects I have experience, so I know like what kind of implementations we have done from the scratch in the incident, problem, change, knowledge, integrations, whatever the things. So I will teach you everything, okay, from the scratch. So you can easily learn it and you can practice, okay. So whenever you are learning, for example, you have learned like day one, okay. So the day one practice you need to do on the day itself. You should not ignore or you should not neglect it, okay. So level two, level three, day four, okay. For example, you are on level 10. Okay, you can also revise level 1, level 2, I mean, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 10. Okay, so that you will not forget. Okay, so practice is important whenever you are seeing my course. You have to open parallelly the ServiceNow instance and you have to learn it parallelly. You have to practice it. Then only you will get to know. Okay. So level 3 ITSM, okay, all the modules inside these modules, foundation data, CMDB, CSDM, ITOM foundation, analytics, enterprise integrations, what integrations we can do, okay, and a deployment, how do we do deployment, or some project from end to end, okay, we will do it. So this is the course overview. So course structure is from beginner to ITSM implementation consultant. Okay. Level 1, level 2, level 3, as I explained you, everything we will cover. Section format will be like 20% is like concept, 30% like demo, 40% hands-on experience, what we have done, what is done, 10% question and answers and review, like what are the interview questions can be asked on that particular day, concepts or what is, okay, so all these things we will cover. So level 1, level 2, this is a kind of an minimum projects, okay, what we can do, what we have, what we can achieve, okay. This is the certification alignment also. So if you need help, I can help you to guide how to clear these certifications, okay. So I don't charge anything, okay. So this is how this is. So if you are really learning or if you want to learn, you can follow this series, okay. I created some previous series, but that is not incomplete. But this series will be a complete series. Okay, trust me. And if you need this Excel, okay, message me or mail me, okay, in the Instagram or mail me, okay. So you will, I will forward this one, okay. So you can see what all the topics we are going to cover. Okay, on what day, which one? Okay, so it is easy for you also to check, and also you can prepare your resume based on the topics, what we have done, what we have created, all the things. Okay, so you can ask me what happens after 45 days. 45 days, after 45 days, we will focus on the ITAM, okay, ITOM, and some other modules like GRC, GRC module or discovery, AI stuff. Okay, parallelly, I am adding some kind of some. I will do some kind of normal videos for the existing developers who are already developers, which is helpful for integrations, all these discovery things. Okay, so those videos also I will add, but this is a complete series and that is a different part of the videos. Okay, don't confuse in between these two, but you can find the subject, I mean title of the video, like which one, which two, which one is this one, which one. Okay, but on the main note, what is like, in this 45 days, don't assume that for a daily only one video will come. Okay, for day one, okay, there can be one video or two videos or three videos, because for the day one, for day one it is like one video. Hopefully for day two it may be two videos or one video, so that depends upon the length. For example, if it crosses more than 1 hour, so um, I will stop and I will continue for the second video, because some editing I have to do. So maximum I will try to cover one video for 1 hour section. So you can clearly view this one. Okay. So yeah. So this is about our course. Okay. So, one of the most important part of this training is our hands-on learning approach. I don't want this course to be only about watching videos and understand theory. Wherever possible, we are going to open ServiceNow instance and actually and implement what we learn. First, we will understand what the concept is and why we need it. Then I will demonstrate the configuration step by step by ServiceNow. After that, we will walk through practical exercise, real world examples, different scenarios. Okay, so our learning approach throughout these 45 days is very simple: learn, practice, apply, master. Okay, so if you I already told you that I will give you the guidance for the certification directions or career, like how do you want to grow your skills, what topics you need to learn. Okay, everything depends upon my freeness. I will be whoever reaching to me, I will guide them. Depends upon my time availability, all these things. Okay, but it is for free. Don't think that is I will charge. It's completely free. Okay, the only one thing you need to do is you need to watch my video. That is the charge for me. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you for now. We will meet in the day one video. Okay. Hey there, curious minds and lifelong learners. Don't miss out on the latest videos that will boost your skills and expand your knowledge. It's totally free. Subscribe now to unlock a world of learning, inspirations, and community. Just hit that big red button that says subscribe. It's free, fast, and the best decision you will make today. Got questions or want to connect? I have got covered you. Reach out to me on Instagram at NS ServiceNow blog. Scan the QR code and let's chat. Join the NS ServiceNow blog community and start your journey towards smart learning. Subscribe now and never miss a moment.